week 8 on Thursday. Name the cross-section, check sectional area of the cylinder below. So what shape is this? It's not a circle. It's an oval, yeah. Round it to the nearest whole number. How many 2 foot by 2 foot squares will fit into a circle that has a diameter of 20 feet? So what you have to do is you have to find the area of the circle. So area equals pi r squared. And it said it had, the diameter was 20 feet. So then what would be my radius? What's my radius then? 10. So then I do pi times 10 squared, put that in my calculator, and I get 314.16. Then it asks how many 2 foot by 2 foot squares. So the area of the square is length times width. So 2 times 2, which would be 4 feet. So I take my area of the circle divided by the area of the square, which is 4, and I get 78.5. Number 3, we're going to start with the volume of the cylinder first. Volume equals pi r squared, because it's the area times the height. So it's pi, the radius is 2 squared, the height is right here, and the height would be 4. Put that in my calculator, and I get 50.27. Then I find the volume of the rectangular prism, which is length times width times height. So 10 times 5 times 3, which is 150. I need to add those two together. So I have 150 plus 50.27. I get 200.27. And then your label would be meters cubed. What's so special about these two angles? What are they called? What are they called?
Vertical.
Vertical. So vertical angles equal each other. So then the one angle is 2x plus 1 equals 35. So then I just draw my line, subtract 1 from both sides. Those cancel each other out, so I'm left with 2x equals 34. Box up my x, divide by 2, so they cancel out. X equals 17. Finding the missing angle. I need to find this angle first. So we'll call that angle A. So I know 55 plus 35 is 90. So then I take 180 minus 90, that is 90. So this angle measurement right here is 90. So then I take 90 plus 60, and I get 150, but it's a straight line, so it needs to equal 180 minus 150 equals 30. So this angle measurement is 30. So then I take 100 plus 30 is 130. Then 180 minus 130 is 50. So 50 is my final answer. 6. Here's our parallel lines. I have I have this angle and this angle. They are interior angles, correct? Are they alternate interior? Are they alternating interior angles? No, because they're on the same side. So if I look at this, I would say like this angle right here would also be right there. Correct? Because those would be corresponding angles. So if it's here and here, what do these two angles have to equal? 180. So I do 9x plus 8 plus 12x plus 4 has to equal 180. Combine your like terms using the sign in front. 9x, 12x becomes 21x. Then I have a positive 8 and a positive 4, which becomes plus 12 was 180. So then I'm going to draw my line, and I'm going to subtract 12 from both sides. So I'm left with 21x, because these 12s cancel each other out.
You can't see.
Oh, thank you. Equals 180 minus 12 is 168. And I'm going to box up my x, divide by 21 on both sides. So x equals 8. Seven, 8 businesses were asked how many employees they have. Here's the data. Find the mean, median, mode, or just that's it. I guess we didn't have to find the range. So to find the mean, we added them up, correct? And when you added them up, it should have been 33. And then you divided by how many numbers you have, which is 8. So your answer would have been 4.125. The median, how do you find the median? Put it in order from least to greatest. And then you take one from the front, one from the back. Do I need to show this to you guys? Okay? And so the answer would be what? What's the answer for the median?
4.
Okay. And then we have the mode, which is just which one you see the most, and which number do you see the most?
3, 4, 5.
It's 3, 4, and 5. Because how many times are those written down? 2 times. So you can have 3 modes. Number 8, find the median and mean of the data set. So I'm just going to do this one just to give an example. To find the median, I start with 47, cross it off, then 48, cross it off, 53, cross it off, 55, cross it off, then 67, cross it off, another 67, cross it off, and then a 68. Then you do, for the median, one from the front, one from the back, one from the front, one from the back, one from the front, one from the back. Circle, so my median is 55. You find the mean. I'm just going to use these numbers. I take 47 plus 48 plus 53 plus 55 plus 67 plus 67 plus 68. And I divide that by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When I did that, this added up to 405. And I divide that by, right? Or is that 105?
It's 405.
Okay. Then I divide it by 7, and I get 57.86. Go ahead and take a picture and send it to the Bellworth, please.